Top beginner fishing mistakes that every fisherman makes and how to fix it. Here's the first mistake. You get to the lake, you got your lure tied on, you tied the best fishing knot of your life, and you look at your rod and your fishing line is wrapped around your rod, and you don't even know how that happens. Here's how we fix it. Don't cut your line. So here's a quick and easy solution. Loosen and remove your drag knob. Set that down on a table. Open your bail. Remove your spool and just wrap that spool around that rod like that. Now with your bail open, you're going to replace the spool. Close the bail, that'll hold your line. And replace the drag knob. This way you didn't have to cut your line, pull the line out, guide it back through the line guides again, and retie your knot. Besides this fishing tip, what is the best fishing tip you ever learned? Let us know below in the comments. Oh, I got him.
Nice.
Maybe in that behind it. I don't know. Net. Oh! Coming up.
Oh,
get in the water.
Wow.
Tag.
Man.
Oh. Oh, that's a keeper, dude.
Wow.
Whew. Tank.
Yeah. Dinner.
Wow.